thought I would try to show the assembly of this front part. A little difficult with one hand. This actually just sits on top, and there is a groove here, and you can see it better here. And so this piece will sit inside that, and it sits on top of these two prongs. Move down here, so they would need to be glued. Then we pull this is just going to be straight glued in to the body. There are two slots inside the body that hold these cage pieces. I'm just going to try and pull one out to show you. They're kind of tight because of the paint intolerance. So that, actually if I pull this out, there, and pull, so two hands, it's a bit tight because of the paint. But yeah, inside you'll see those two slots. So the idea is that, yeah, you still got to glue stuff, but at least it's keyed, so can do it without really any worry.